Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to optimize your Squarespace website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you're not already, and after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this dashboard right here where we can find all the websites we have. So what we want to do is go ahead and find the website that we want to optimize. So guys, what we can do is though either open up the website directly right here by clicking on it, or you can just click the three dots right here and click the settings option. If you open up the website, it's going to look like this. So if you're already on your website, what you want to do is to just go ahead and find the settings icon right here, the left side screen in the bottom corner. This is going to open up this new menu where you can manage your website. You can see your site availability, languages, regional settings, and so on. What we want to do guys is to go ahead and manage our marketing for our website. To increase our visibility to other people, we are going to go ahead and be able to manage our SEO. So we're going to go into marketing right here. Go click marketing in the left side of the screen, and this is now going to open up the marketing section. So here you can manage your ads and your SEO appearance. So what you want to do is go ahead and ensure your site is optimized for search engines and visitors. You want to go ahead and open up this, and now guys, you want to go ahead and apply your SEO tactics. So you must know what your keywords are. As you can see, here is your site description, title, format, site, how it looks, pages, and so on. So you can even hire an expert, Google search keywords, and so on. So you can take a look at all of this to optimize your website and get started applying this. But yeah guys, basically that is how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.